We are pleased to show you the 2018 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.